Is how to fix Rockstar game services unavailable right now. So for this first you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall, search for it and go to Allow an apps or features through Windows Defender Firewall. And after that you need to go to change settings. In this you need to scroll down and check for Rockstar launcher. Scroll down. Yes. And you can see the Rockstar game and the Rockstar game launcher is there. So it should be both private and public mode. And it's not available, so easy to click allow another app and browse it. So I will tell how to do. Come back and open file location. You can get the copy the address and go to browse and paste the address here, and you can see the icon is here. Then open it, Rockstar game launcher. Then after that add it. So like this you need to add Rockstar games and Rockstar game launchers. So but make sure it should be in private and public mode both. And after that you need to search for control panel. Click the control panel, and here you need to go to view network status and task is tab. Go it and go change adapter settings. In this, if you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. That's more all persons are using Wi-Fi, so you can go with Wi-Fi and disable it, and after few seconds again enable it. Once enable completed, right click and go to properties. And this internet protocol version 4 is you need to click it and go to properties. And if you are using Uptime DNS server address, automatically change to use the following DNS server address and click the enter the 88888844 and click OK. Once you enter this, all things will be set. You need to restart it. So before restart, go to command prompt and click run as administrative. In this, you need to type ipconfig/fresh DNS. Enter the text and click enter. So successfully flushed the DNS server. So after that you need to exit it. Once exit, you need to restart it. Thank you.